Hey there, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to delete Kraken account. First you just need to open your Kraken application on your device. Now from here you just need to enter the passcode here, and then you will find the profile icon in the top left corner. After that you just need to tap on that here, and you just need to go to your profile, your account profile here. Now tap on it, and from here at the very last you will find close account option. So if you tap on it and tap on continue, then it will just show you, it will actually close or delete your Kraken account. So here you can see once your Kraken account is closed, you won't be able to sign in, so you will miss out on our top rated, their top rated mobile apps and other something. So tap on continue here, and you have to explain that why you are leaving Kraken, or why you are deleting your Kraken application. So you can just choose anything like other or anything like so. Then tap on continue here. Now you can see, if you tap on yes close my account, then it will ask for the password to verification, and if you confirm it that you are to delete it, then it will easily delete your Kraken account. So you can see I have just deleted my Kraken account. So that's how you can just do it. Hope you got this. If so, then give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.